Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel.
Okay.
Try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out.
Okay, much slower. Remember, super slow.
And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Okay, good. Now, let's stop for a sec. That was awesome. Except it was still too fast. Okay? But look. Look. You just welded. There's Noah's very first weld. Woohoo! Look at that. It's ugly. All right, so now take the brush and just brush it a bit. Push on it hard and brush it hard and fast. There you go. And then take a look at it and see how it cleaned it up a little bit.
Oh yeah.
See that? Okay. It's good. You're doing good. It's just too fast.
Any place that I go, I know you hate that. I've been doing fine. I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside.
Crazy. There we go. There is Noah's first weld. Not bad. Must have a good teacher.
And the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out.
It's stuck. It got stuck in there. All right, go ahead and brush it up.
But now, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah. I think that we've all had enough. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation.
heavy, bro. You want to see it? Feel it? Feel how heavy that is?
I think I just killed like 1 or 2 bees.
That's alright. It's gonna happen.
I know.
And slowly and carefully, you want to crush them. And then you can slowly put it on his corner. You know, with how much capped brood there is,
Yeah.
it's definitely gonna land.
Because it's been 2
So
weeks.
go ahead and put this on.
Okay, I'm following you.
Frame cover.
I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're